Hi guys, so today let's talk about how many clicks you need to wait for in Amazon advertising before you make an informed decision. I keep hearing like there are defaults like wait for 10 clicks, wait for 20 clicks, and then reduce the bid, increase the bid, or pause, or negative. I must say that doesn't make any sense. Also, it doesn't make any sense that like, hey, we need to wait for 7 days to see before enough clicks are accumulated or not, because if you have an account that it's really high volume and you have a keyword that's high volume, if you wait for 7 days you will accumulate 1000 clicks, and also if the volume is very low, you will wait 7 days, you will see 2 clicks. So that the date range doesn't make any sense in this context. What does make sense is your conversion rate. So if your conversion rate is 10%, that means that on every 10 clicks you should see a sale. That's it. If it was mathematically correct and linear, that would be like 10 clicks, 1 sale, 10 clicks, 1 sale. Unfortunately, that's not how it works, but that can give you a sense. So if we continue by that logic, if you want to be as aggressive, you can say, okay, if there are 12 clicks, 13 clicks, and nothing happens, that keyword is not good for me. Or if something happens, like you have a sale, but it's too costly, you can reduce bid or do whatever you like. That's out of the scope of these conversations. I'm just speaking about how many clicks. If you want to be a little bit loose, because the keyword is highly relevant and you know that you should convert, you can let it go for double than what's expected. So in this example, 10% conversion rate, 10 clicks, you can go up to 20 before you make decision to pause the keyword, or just doesn't make any sense to do anything with it. That's cool. Another option is to approach it completely mathematically. Again, let's say your target ACoS is 10%. For whatever reason, that is ROAS of 10. Product price is $55. There's a calculation. So allowed ad cost per sale is, now this is 10% times 55, the product price. So you need to spend $5.5 at maximum to have ACoS of 10%. Furthermore, expected clicks per sale is allowed cost per sale by cost per click. And if your cost per click is 0.75, now totally made up numbers, but the logic is the same. You divide how much you can spend per sale in order to have the target ACoS, in order to be profitable, if that's what you aim for, and then you get it 7.33 clicks to meet the desired sale, to be profitable. That's roughly 7 clicks. So there's that, but it's definitely not the fixed number to wait 10 clicks or 15 clicks, because if you sell a product that costs $2,000, you can easily wait for 100, 200 clicks before you make an informed decision, because of the CPC and the cost that accumulates. So yeah, I hope that many people will watch it or understand it, and I may record a few more on the same topic in the coming months. So stay tuned for another video on Monday. Bye bye.